As you can see, there are different types of products which you can promote to people. If you promote this product, then you'll earn $63 for one single sale. Now here, as you can see, brand. So you can filter out products by brand, and you can choose any product to promote which one you think is best for you. And PongoShare is gonna cooperate with more new and exciting brands, so you can make even more money. Now how you can actually promote a product. Let's say you wanna promote this product, and for that you wanna click here promote, and from here you can get your affiliate link. So as you can see, this is the purchase link. This is your affiliate link for this specific product which you're gonna share to people. So you can copy this link by clicking right here copy. Then the link will be copied to your clipboard. And here is a cool thing is, you can easily share this product to Facebook, Twitter, and WhatsApp from here. And for one single sale you'll make a $63 commission, as you can see guys.